Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. It's been a long while since I've been on here, probably at least a month or so, and we've experienced a lot of changes around here this past month. We woke up this morning though to a lovely, probably not so lovely surprise. We had a storm last night. Storm Bella. It was forecasted during this week. We thought it was going to pass, but it didn't pass us by. We actually got hit for the fourth time this year by a storm, and I think this one is probably by far the worst. Let me just show you guys what we're dealing with. TK's in the background trying to fix some stuff back that's been, scattered all over the garden. But first, let me update you on what's new around here. So, as I've just shown you, we do have some chickens. We decided to get some chickens in preparation for the next gardening season. They are our little eco-friendly, compost turning, pest consuming chickens. Yeah. So we got the chickens so they can help us around in the garden, help break things down quicker than it would have, turn the soil and, poop, so we can get that chicken manure, so we can get that rich goodness when it decomposes. Back to the storm now. The storm actually took down the chicken coop that we had them in. Let me just show you guys. Say hello.
Hello.
What are you doing out here?
Fix it.
Yeah, like I was saying, the storm hit us pretty badly again. Although the shed is still up this time. But yeah, this is the chicken run that we have for the chickens that he's trying to put back up because the wind really took it all down yesterday. As you can see, what was covered is now uncovered. And same for that bed over there. I'm scared to look underneath for what I'll find, but this is the most interesting. Oh, this is the coop that they were originally in. This was tipped over on its side, so we are thinking that the chickens were probably out for the majority of the night and were trying to take cover underneath somehow until daylight showed its face again. So yeah, they're not going back in that one. They'll be going back in another one that TK built. It's the first time building anything actually like of that sort. I'll show you the new coop in a second that he built from pallets. But I want to show you guys this greenhouse. This greenhouse was actually facing that way prior to the storm. Now somehow the wind lifted it a bit and shifted it so it's facing that way. Let me see if I could find evidence of it. Oh yes, over here you can see it's bent now. It's definitely shifted. We're going to have to sort that. We thank God that he kept this up during the night. Oh no, I've just noticed some casualties. My plants fell over. Oh no. Oh, okay. Yeah, so you can probably see where it's shifted, and it's taken some of the fabric that was on the outside underneath. But here is where this big greenhouse was, you can see, and it shifted all that way over there. I think it shifted because we left 2 windows open. Yeah, we left 2 windows open, but it's now facing this way instead of that way. Anyways, this is the coop. Don't mind the debris surrounding. Storm did a lot of damage, as you can see around here. But yeah, this is the coop that TK built. Let's take a closer look. So we took the door off because we're actually going to move this coop to its new home over there, where we reset up the chicken run. This is the door that goes into that space. We're trying to move it from here. Let me just give you a quick tour before we move it. Here is the nesting box. I just took out some eggs that they laid in there this morning. Because this one's so close to the house, they came in here for shelter. But yeah, we were going to paint it red like the cottage, but we're a bit short on time and they really need a new setup for tonight. So
Ready?
Yep, I'm ready. So let's go. So back, we have relocated the coop. It's currently on its side. We're trying to give it a bit of a lift. We tried putting like some legs on it, but it didn't quite work out. And as you can see, the moon is now out and we are racing against time for daylight. So yeah. TK's put that coop in there just in case, but we don't really want them going back in there because I haven't had a chance to clean it. We want them to go in this one. So we're trying to finish it before it gets completely dark. But yeah, that's where we are. The sun is setting. Yep. Sun has set. But we can still see somewhat. What we still have to do next is, I've got a bag of sand here that is to go at the bottom of the flooring of the new coop. I've heard that it's much better than sawdust and hay because that can get quite wet. So yeah, the chickens should like to bathe in there as well. They like to take their baths in dirt. That's what we're learning. So we wanted the sand to go underneath where the roosting bar is going to be, so their droppings can drop in the sand as opposed to on the hay. The sand that we can just scoop out and just sift out with a special like a cat poop scoop. That's what we're using at the moment. So yeah, we just throw that into the compost. It'd be easy cleaning, to be honest. But the chickens, they're waiting to go into this big coop. They would have normally set up shop for the night inside the coop, but they don't really want to go back in there. I don't blame them because it's quite dirty now. And yeah, the storm just wet their beddings in there and it's just not very nice. I'm gonna have to get back to helping TK navigate this coop on top of those pallets. But yeah, that's it for today. Probably do another one tomorrow and show you the end result of the finished coop and run. Sorry it's a little short, but thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye. God bless.